Paper. Okay, Sir Marcos, Sir Robbie Marcos, before you start, ito po ay request mo ni Sir Brandel. English only policy daw po. Hala, hindi niyo po sinabihan. Naku, Sir.
Lugi na nga ako eh.
Okay, Sir Marcos, you may now start.
Grabe ka na yan. Talo talaga tayo sa babaeng may screenshot. Grabe. Pero simple lang naman yun sa akin. Iyak ako. Lagi kasi ako kasama nila eh. Pilitin ko di umiyak pero congratulations ulit. Simulan natin kasi sa di mga tipo nakakaalam, kasama po ako ni Kuya Brandon sa bahay. At parang magkapatid na kami. Nakakatuwa lang na isipin na yung dati namin pinapangarap, pinaplano, ito na po ngayon. So, ayoko na mga gawin to, baka dito na ako umiyak eh. Sige, tilo ulit.
Okay na po yun, Sir Marcos. Thank you so much po, Sir Marcos, Sir Robbie Marcos. Sige ba, couple, adjust po tayo dito sa gitna. So everybody, this is the couple's short journey ahead as they toast to love, happiness, and a lifetime of memories together. So ganito po, on the count of 3, sabay-sabay po tayong babati ng mabuhay ang bagong kasal for the newlyweds. So if you have glasses of wines, juices, or water, I would like to request everybody to please raise your glasses as high as you can. Come on, sige po, pakitaas po ang ating mga glasses. Now, here's for good health, good luck, and prosperity. Let us all say in 1, 2, 3, mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Cheers! Pinsel ang inangat! Cheers! Alright, once again, thank you so much to Miss Mary Ann Erlano and Sir Marcos Robbie Marcos. Sarap makalimakasal. Thank you so much. And couple, last tradition na po tayo at this moment. So doves are a timeless symbol of peace, love, and the promise of forever. And couple, as you live those doves, you're sending your love and hope for a future filled with peace, happiness, and a deep commitment to one another. So ililip lang po natin yung mga kalapate. But before that, paghalikin po muna natin silang dalawa. Sige po, paghalikin po ang kalapate. Nag-kiss po sila. Nag-kiss po sila. Hindi po parehas lalaki ang nadala ng team. Thank you so much. Sige po, couple, kiss din po kayo. Kiss din po kayo. Tapos, ikikiss nyo rin daw po ang kalapate. Ay, hindi po kasama doon. Just kidding. Okay, so everybody, once na itinaas po ng ating newlyweds ang mga doves, kailangan po natin silang bigyan ng malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. Kaya naman, couple, get ready! And lift those doves in 1, 2, 3, lift! Bam! 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 Alright, thank you so much, Mr. and Mrs. Reyes. Kukunin na po muna namin ang aming mga kalapati dahil may event pa po sila bukas. Kailangan po nilang mag-beauty rest. Mga naka-duty pa po kasi ang mga yan until tomorrow. And couple, maaari na po muna kayong maupo sa inyong couch. Thank you so much po, Mr. and Mrs. Reyes. And everybody, nandito na po tayo sa pinaka-exciting part of the program. Ramdam na po ang panginginig ng mga kalamnan. So, explain ko lamang po ng mabilisan ang magiging proseso po ng ating mealtime. Per table po, lahat po kayo ay magkakaroon ng photo session together with the newlyweds dito po sa unahan. The only difference is for those people po seated on the presidential tables, hindi nyo na po kailangang pumila sa buffet because your meals po will be served shortly. And then for those people naman po seated on the round tables, after your photo op po, maaari na po kayong pumila sa ating buffet area. And at this time, muli po magbubukas ang ating photo booth at ang isa sa pinaka-iniintay po ng lahat, magbubukas na rin po ang ating mobile bar. Okay? At mamaya po mapapanood po natin ang highlights of today's celebration. So I hope everybody stays up until the end of the program. Once again, my name is Host Ann. Please enjoy your meals. See you later at the second half of the program. And bon appetit! Alright, presidential table number 1, you may now proceed in front.
Hi. Hi, Miss. Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep the party going. Jam Band is back with their second set, bringing you more great music. Again, the photo booth and mobile bar are now officially open, so grab a drink, strike a pose, and enjoy the night.
Pa naman ako eh.
We're back in our second set and while you're doing your dinner, guys, and I'd like to invite everyone, if you have any favorite song that you want to hear tonight, just please do approach us here in front. Pwede mo mag-request. If you want to, feel free again also to jam with us. Lapit lang po sa atin. Here's some love songs. We'd like to dedicate this all set para sa aming couple, some of the requested songs. God makes happy in the world. These are our brothers. How love you knows when we share ways. How special it sounds to be loved. It seems like a love can't get much better. No, 'cause we are as close as two can be. You have to last forever. When nothing just love is with good faith. Even if our love drifts away, I want it to think twice if I want to love back again. Because I'll still say yes.
Ayan. Doon daw po kayo titingin sa kalangitan sa taas ng basketball court. Doon po. Ayan. So everybody, simulan na po natin ang countdown. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through
Wala na po. Okay, everybody will now go back to your seat. At pwede na pong ituloy ang inyong pagkain.
Yes, back pa. Balik. Balik pa uli kayo.
I hope everybody enjoyed that show because again, that's a very special surprise from the Newlyweds for each and every one of you.